Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Paramount Plus with your YouTube TV. So if you want to use Paramount Plus with YouTube TV, what you can do is on your web browser in your YouTube TV, go to the top right corner and go to settings. So in your settings, if you are going to scroll down, you're going to see the Paramount Plus with Showtime. So this is where you can get the Paramount Plus with Showtime. You can click on Add. And then you can proceed with the payment in order to get the Paramount Plus. Once you have signed up with the Paramount Plus, you can use it with the YouTube TV here on the YouTube TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.